What does a duck say?
What's a pig say?
What does a pig say? What does a pig say? Can you do a push-up? Can you do a push-up? Do a push-up. Can you do that? Do a push-up. Get down there with Mom and do a push-up. Can you do a push-up?
What does a cat say?
What does a cat say?
What's a dog say?
What does a pig say? What does a pig say, Annalise? Can you tell me what a duck says?
Annalise, what does a duck say? Hey!
Annalise, what does a duck say?
Sorry, Ellen. What's a duck say? Quack, 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 quack.
Annalise, can you wave bye? Annalise, come here.
Tell Dada bye-bye.
Can you look at the camera and say bye? Wave bye. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Annalise, look at me. Wave bye. Say bye.